Let me show you how to achieve a gorgeous brows like this on yourself or your client in this 2026. Hi guys, it's Olachi here. Welcome back to my channel. Do hit the subscription button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to carve your brows, and to do that all you need is a new blade and then a spoolie. You're going to use your spoolie to sweep the hairs up. This way you're going to be able to carve your brows by taking out the excess hair on the brow bone, as you can see me do in the video. Then you're also going to sweep the hairs upwards in order to take the excess hair at the top of the brows. Then you sweep the hairs downwards to take the excess hairs at the downside, which is also the brow bone. This way you're going to have a very clean brows to work on. You also go ahead and replicate the same process on the other side of the brows. In order to achieve a perfect brow as a beginner, you have to follow this mapping I am doing on the brows, which is the inner corner of the brows, the brow bone, and then the outer corner of the brows. To trace out your brows, you will use your spoolie to sweep the hairs upwards. Then take your pencil and outline the brows. You can see the way I am outlining this brow. I am following the sketch I made on the previous video, and I'm using a pencil liner from Davis in the shade 03. I am going to use this to outline the brows first before going in with my brow pomade. This way it helps me achieve a perfect outline that will not take me too long to conceal it. So please keep watching what I am doing in the video. You're going to get the hang of it. To intensify the outline and also fill in the brows, I'm going to use my brow pomade from Heige&esther in the shade Ebony and my Tehila eyeliner gel. I'm going to mix those two colors together. Using a flat angle brush, I'm going to pick out the product and start outlining my brows. So you see why I went in with the pencil first. This way it helps me work easier. For some people, you can just go in with the brow pomade, but for me, I need to use a pencil to outline, because this way I'm going to get it easier. I'm not going to make any mistakes with the brows. So whatever works for you is also very much okay, as long as you're getting a great brows at the end of the day. If you've watched up to this point and you're finding this video helpful, please do hit the subscription button and also give this video a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family who are going to need this tutorial, and this will also help YouTube to push my content to more audience. Thank you. Next, we'll go right ahead to replicate the same process on the other brows. Please, if you're new to this, you just want to take your time. Do not rush. This actually takes time. If you're watching it, it seems easier, but if you're new to brows, it's actually a lot. But with constant practice, trust me, you're going to get it. So just take your time and keep going in at your own pace, and trust me, you're going to become perfect in no time. Next, I'm going to go in with my pencil to give this feather-like stroke at the inner corners of the eyes. This way it replicates the natural way of the brows. After that, I am going to go in to correct my brows, and I'll be using my concealer from Yangabeauty in the shade SMC3. Going in with this flat brush from Merak Beauty, I am going to use it to correct my brow. And starting off first, I'm going to be correcting the brow bone, and I'm going to pull the concealer downward so that I can blend it into the skin. When I'll be going into the inner corners, I'm going to go in with concealer shade that is her skin tone, or that is one shade darker than her skin tone. This way it's going to marinate into the contour that is done on the nose. And I'm also going to use that shade of foundation to also correct the top of the brows and also blend it out properly with my blending brush so that there is no harsh line. I will also replicate the same process on the other part of the brows. And here's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.